Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem London by William Blake. So these are some of the important points about this poem. This poem was published by William Blake in Songs of Experience in 1794. In this poem, poet deals with some of the money issues which London was facing at the time. He shows the plight of poor people, children, soldiers, and prostitutes. He is using the word charter here, which means a kind of benefit provided by the government to do anything freely. Here, poet portrays the harsh and miserable state of industrialized London. So this is the text of the poem. Here, poet says that he walks over the London street and by the side of the Thames River, and these two places enjoy a kind of special privilege, a kind of liberty provided by the government. These places are free, and mark in every face I meet marks of weakness, marks of hope. So every face, every person whom poet meets on his way, he notices the signs of weakness and misery and suffering. Then he says, in every cry of every man. So, in every man's cry, in every infant's cry, infant is a young child, in every voice, in every restriction and prohibition, he notices the mind forced manacles. Mind forced manacles are the restrictions imposed upon people by the persons in authority who themselves are suffering because of these restrictions. So he hears the sound of the chains in which people are chained. Okay. How the chimney sweepers cry, every blackening church appalls. So now he is focusing his attention on the poor and pathetic situation of chimney sweepers, the young children who have to clean the chimneys at such a young age. Okay, that some of them even die by doing that risky job. So every blackening church appalls. So now here poet is critical of church as well, because institutionalized church is also responsible for the poor and pathetic situation of these chimney sweepers, and this church imposes a lot of restrictions and limitations upon people and thus oppresses them. And the hapless soldier sigh runs in blood down palace walls. And now he notices the soldier's sigh. Okay, soldier sigh who is dying, and his blood is flowing through the royal palace, because royal palace is red with his blood. Okay, because he dies by protecting the king, in service to the king. Now he says, by but most through midnight streets I hear. So when the poet visits London during the night time, he notices young prostitutes, okay, bearing small children who are illegitimate children, and they are suffering with a lot of diseases, okay, because they are involved in the sexual activity without taking any precautions. So, and they are blaming the marital institution. They are blaming the institution of marriage. Because of the failure of this institution, these men are coming to them to enjoy sexual pleasure. So these prostitutes, are blaming marriage bad. Here says marriage bad. They are blaming the institution of marriage, because people are not happy in their marital life. That's why they come to them. So here, poet exposes the poor and pathetic situation of London, industrialized London of that time.